Hey there, thanks a lot for joining me on Wendy's World. If you haven't done it yet, just hit that subscribe button and you'll get notifications of my next videos. So you know how sometimes in between the colorings, you notice that your hair is kind of brassy and the color is kind of dull? Well, I can help you take care of that. Stay tuned. So what I use to tone my hair is this wonderful product that you can also purchase. It's called Series Expert Magnesium Silver by L'Oreal. And even though it says that it is a shampoo for white and gray hair, it's actually wonderful at toning your hair. So as you can see, my hair is getting a little brassy because I'm in between colorings, and you probably have the same problem. This is really a wonderful way of toning your hair. Instead of having to go back to the salon and pay a little extra, like $30, $40 to get it toned, you can actually do it yourself. This toner will only tone the chemically treated parts of your hair. It will leave the natural part of your hair natural, and it won't touch it at all. Okay, so easy to use. You are absolutely going to love it. Another thing that I want to talk to you about is the fact that you have toned your hair and you've introduced some chemicals to it. So really what you need now to do is hydrate your hair. So one particular product that I absolutely love is Perology, and I use Superfood. Put it in your hair for about an hour. Let it sit in your hair for even 2 hours if you want, because hydration is really important after you've introduced some chemicals. The other thing is when you do shampoo your hair out, use Perology again and the Hydrate line. Amazing. Absolutely love it. It is a little bit more expensive, but really, girls, aren't you worth it? The other thing is, you guessed it, Hydrate by Perology. You're going to hydrate by conditioning it. Okay, I will talk to you soon. Here are the products that I use in my video, with exception to the plastic tub. You can get any plastic tub. The paintbrush is actually a paintbrush, but you can get a proper brush from your local beautician. Now the Series Expert L'Oreal is purple liquid. Don't be worried about that. It actually helps neutralize the yellow undertones in your hair. I will link the Perology line and the Series Expert in my description. I forgot to show you Superfood, my favorite thing from Perology, but also I want to talk to you about the Perology conditioner. And the conditioner itself actually has this wonderful tingly sensation to it, and I think it's due to peppermint. You will absolutely love it. So I just got out of the shower, and you can see already that my hair is darker. So the toning has worked. Now, one of the things that I notice the YouTubers are missing when they're talking about toning your hair is they forget to add hydration to your hair after you have toned it. Now, you have treated it with chemicals, so you need to hydrate your hair with Superfood from Perology or anything you choose. You can also use coconut oil. Right now I am using Horology Superfood. So you put this in your hair. I like to use a ton of it. This product isn't cheap. I think I paid about $40 for it, but really it's an amazing product and you will love it. Even if you aren't chemically treating your hair, you should hydrate it like once a week. Or if you're, you've got pretty healthy hair, you can do it once a month. But I leave this on in my hair for about 1 hour to 2 hours. Then to make sure that you've distributed properly, you can use a comb and comb it throughout your hair. Then tie it up. And put it in a really sexy shower cap. Okay, I'll see you guys in a bit. Voila, look how gorgeous that is. I toned my hair at home. I took away all that brassiness. You could see how easy it was to do. You can do it too. You'll save yourself so much money if you do it at home. If you have any questions about this, please don't forget to comment below. I would love to hear from you. If you have a suggestion for my next video, I would also love to hear about that. Thanks so much for joining me on Wendy's World, and I'll see you next time. Voila! See how easy that is? Look how gorgeous my hair is. It's so easy to tone your hair at home. Only took a few minutes. Well, okay, it took a little bit of time, but it really is worth it. You'll save so much money. Don't forget to hydrate your hair as well.